Welcome, my friends, to the Nashmi Top channel. If you care about road safety, protecting your car, and documenting every moment, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll review the top 5 dash cams currently on the market. After careful research and evaluation, we've compiled the final results to help you make the right decision and choose the camera that best suits your needs and budget. Whether you're looking for the highest resolution, advanced parking, or the best night vision, you'll find all the links in the description. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell button. 5. Vantrue N4 Pro. If you're looking for a high-quality front and rear dash cam with advanced technology to protect your vehicle and document your journeys, the Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam is the perfect choice. The dual camera records in 4K resolution from the front and 1080p from the rear, offering professional-grade features for driving and adventure enthusiasts. High-quality front and rear recording. The front camera records at 3840 by 2160p at 30 fps, while the rear camera records at 1920 by 1080p at 30 fps. Wide angle, 150 degrees front and 140 degrees rear, to capture a full view of the road from all sides. Ideal for documenting accidents, commuting, and critical situations. Advanced night vision. Sony Starvis 2 supports 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for video transfer speeds up to 20 Mbps. With the Rove smartphone app, you can easily watch, download, and share clips, as well as update software and adjust settings directly from the app. Built-in accurate GPS. Displays current speed and direction in real time on a 3-inch IPS screen. Records location, speed, and route on video. And details can be viewed via the free GPS player software on your computer. Advanced features and cutting-edge technologies. Free 128GB microSD card. Supports up to 1 TB of storage. Loop recording, motion detection, automatic video lock in case of an accident. Screen timer, voice guidance, and a CPL lens. It uses a supercapacitor to extend its lifespan compared to conventional batteries. Requires a permanent connection cable. When an event occurs while the vehicle is parked, the camera records a minute of video and locks it with an audible alert when the vehicle is started. The Rove R2-4K dual camera offers a complete and advanced recording experience, combining high-quality, night vision, precise GPS, smart connectivity, and parking recording. It's an ideal investment for anyone concerned about safety and documenting every moment on the road. 4. The RedTiger F17 triple-channel camera provides a comprehensive view in 4K quality, with professional features to record every moment on the road. Ideal for daily driving and family trips. Triple-channel 4K recording. 4K front camera plus 1080p interior camera plus 1080p rear camera. Wide coverage includes 150 degrees front angle, 160 degrees interior, 155 degrees rear, 360-degree coverage to record everything around the vehicle accurately and clearly. 5G Wi-Fi connectivity and live GPS tracking. Supports the RedTiger app on your phone for instant access to videos. 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast file transfer and instant clip sharing. Live view of your route, speed, and location. Powerful evidence in the event of an accident. Enhanced night vision. Stravis and WDR technology, equipped with a Stravis sensor and 4 infrared IR lights. WDR, wide dynamic range technology, improves the balance between highlights and shadows. Ultra-clear recording, even in complete darkness or low light. Flexible dual camera options. Choose from front 4K plus interior 1080p or front 4K plus rear 1080p. The ability to turn off the interior camera when needed to provide space or privacy. High flexibility depending on the nature of the application. Parking monitoring, 24/7 protection, time-lapse mode, impact detection mode. Requires a hardwired connection cable. Comprehensive monitoring of all 3 parts of the vehicle while parked to protect against theft or collisions. Supercapacitor for extreme conditions. 18-month warranty. Operates efficiently even in extreme temperatures, without the risk of swelling or damage like conventional batteries. 24/7 technical support and an 18-month warranty ensure peace of mind. 3. VIOFO A229. The VIOFO A229 Plus Dashcam is a true revolution in the world of car surveillance systems. Thanks to its advanced technologies, such as Starvis 2 sensors, dual HDR recording, and full 2K resolution for the front and rear, it provides you with maximum clarity and safety on the road. Dual Starvis 2 sensors. Unparalleled night vision. The world's first dual camera with a Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor on the front and rear. It offers a 2.5 times greater dynamic range and 2.5 times greater light sensitivity compared to the previous version, reducing noise and blur when shooting at night. Ideal for accurately documenting license plates and situations at any time. Dual-channel HDR recording. Sharp details even in motion. Advanced HDR technology enables front and rear 2K 1440p recording with high clarity in various lighting conditions. It can distinguish license plates even in fast-moving scenes or with varying lighting conditions. Note: HDR cannot be used when shooting 1440p at 60 fps. 2K plus 2K front and rear cameras. Realistic colors and stunning clarity. Supports front and rear camera recording at true 1440p resolution. The front camera supports up to 60 fps for smooth and clear recording. Excellent lighting balance and exceptional color accuracy for every detail. Hands-free voice control plus smart alerts. Includes 12 voice commands such as take a photo, lock video, turn on Wi-Fi, and more. Provides voice alerts in case of memory card errors or settings changes, increasing focus and safety while driving. Ultra-precise GPS, quad satellite, supports GPS, Beidou, Galileo, and GLONASS. Provides accurate location, speed, and time data while reviewing video on the VIOFO app or computer. Ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi supports dual-band Wi-Fi with high speeds up to 5 GHz for seamless video streaming and downloading. Configure settings, watch live footage, and download clips to your phone via the VIOFO app. Smart parking mode 24/7, 3 options to protect your vehicle. Automatic event detection with video storage 15 and 30 seconds before and after the event. Time-lapse continuous recording to save space. Low bitrate continuous recording to save battery and storage. Note: requires a special power cable, HK4, purchased separately. The VIOFO A229 Plus offers a complete professional-grade camera experience with 2-angle lenses, stunning night vision technology, advanced GPS, voice control, and a smart app. It's the perfect solution for any driver looking for the highest levels of safety, documentation, and convenience. Tow Pruvio 360-degree. If you're looking for complete 360-degree surveillance of your vehicle from all angles, the D90-4CH 4-lens camera offers unparalleled coverage and advanced features that ensure security and accurate documentation at every moment. Full HD recording, full 360-degree coverage. Equipped with 4 lenses that record simultaneously at 1080p resolution for each side, front, rear, right, and left. The angle of the 3 lenses can be adjusted as desired to capture details with greater accuracy. The ability to use one lens to record inside the cabin, ideal for taxi drivers or documenting any indoor event. Time-lapse recording and smart parking mode. The time-lapse feature records 1 frame per second and compresses a full hour to 1 minute in parking mode to save storage space. Requires a permanent connection cable. Built-in GPS for location and speed tracking. Precisely records location, speed, time, and route on a map. The driving route can be viewed via the GPS video player, an important tool in the event of an accident or insurance claim. Wi-Fi connection and smart app. You can connect the camera to your phone via Wi-Fi and watch the clips directly from a free app available for iOS and Android devices. Easily upload and share videos on social media. Powerful infrared night vision. The internal lens features an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights for crystal clear night recording. Ideal for night security and indoor monitoring in the dark. Smart loop recording and accident lock. Continuously records and automatically deletes the oldest unlocked clips when the memory is full. In the event of a collision, the camera automatically locks the video as evidence, and loop recording will not delete the video. Easy installation and battery-free. Simple installation is provided with the help of the illustrations in the user manual. No internal battery to avoid heat damage or the risk of explosion, ensuring a longer lifespan and safer performance. The D90 4CH Dash Cam offers 360 degrees full-frame protection, superior night vision, precise GPS, smart app connectivity, and advanced parking and accident detection features. It's an ideal choice for those seeking complete security and professional monitoring in every direction. 1. Rove R2. If you're looking for a true 4K triple camera with complete all-around protection, the Vantrue N4 Pro is the perfect choice. Whether you're a daily driver, an Uber driver, or on a family road trip, 4K cinematic quality, front, interior, and rear coverage, simultaneous 4K front plus 1080p interior plus 1080p rear. Sony Starvis 2 sensor delivers a clear image even in low light or at night, ideal for documenting accidents. Preventing insurance fraud or monitoring passengers. Exclusive Plate Pix technology, amazingly accurate license plate reading, accurately recognizes license plates even in difficult lighting conditions. Thanks to 4K HDR, every detail is captured without blurring or color fading, even with moving cars. Built-in GPS displays route, location, and speed, printed directly on the video. Dual 4K plus 1080p recording as needed. Switch between front plus rear or front plus interior. The rear camera rotates 360 degrees and can be directed towards the trunk or passengers as needed. The interior camera is equipped with an f1.8 lens and 4 IR lights for accurate nighttime footage of the vehicle interior. 4 parking protection modes, 24/7 monitoring. The camera records the entire event, 10 seconds before and 30 seconds after movement. The monitoring area can be customized to save storage space and prevent false alarms. Requires hardwired cable purchased separately. Smart voice control and optional anti-glare CPL filter. 12 voice commands to control the camera without taking your hands off the steering wheel. The optional CPL filter reduces glare and glass reflection, enhancing video quality in direct sunlight. Reliable crash-proof features, plus extreme conditions tolerance. The G-sensor activates automatic video saving upon impact. The camera uses dual capacitors instead of a battery to withstand temperatures from -14 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit without failure. Easy installation plus 18-month warranty. Strong magnetic base plus option to mount on vertical or tilt windshields. Supports up to a 512GB memory card, purchased separately. The 9-meter rear camera cable is suitable for SUVs and trucks. The Vantrue N4 Pro is not just a recording device, it's a professional 4K triple security system, equipped with the latest technology for comprehensive protection inside and outside your vehicle, giving you peace of mind on every journey.